What's up guys, in today's tech tip I'll be showing you how to use the swipe keyboard on your Apple Watch Series 7. So this watch, as you might have heard or seen, comes with a full QWERTY keyboard complete with swipe gestures. And to use the swipe gestures, simply go into one of the apps you might want to use the keyboard on, maybe the messages app. Go to the reply section, and here you can type normally like was, but of course you can always use autocorrect to correct your text. It's a pretty small screen and it's not very easy to type. Now if you want to use the swipe, it's slightly more efficient, but you need to learn how to use it. So what you want to do is place your finger on the first letter of the word you want to type and then swipe across all the letters, and the watch OS will try to figure out what you're trying to type and type it for you on the screen. So let's say you want to type was it necessary. So the first word is was, so WAS. So you want to put your finger on W, swipe to A and swipe to S without lifting your finger. So there you go. Then let's put a space, and then it is letter I and letter T, so swipe like that, get that. And then necessary is NECESSARY. So let's try to do that. NECESSARY, and it gets it. Now it takes a little getting used to get all the words right, and also the watch OS needs to be able to predict what you're trying to type and type it for you correctly. So it's not perfect and it needs a little getting used to, but that's really how to use the swipe keyboard on your Apple Watch Series 7. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.